Create vocabulary trainer in Excel VBA yourself. This is how this program is created. Anyone can create this program. This program is contained in an Excel macro-enabled workbook. First, the Excel macro-enabled workbook is created. The description of this video contains a link to a video demonstrating the creation of an Excel macro-enabled workbook. 9 YouTube videos describe the process of creating this program. These 9 videos are compiled into a YouTube playlist. The link to this playlist is in the description of this video. To create this program, simply select, highlight, copy, and paste text or controls using your mouse. You don't need to type anything yourself. The code for formatting the pasted controls is in the description of this video. Simply select it, copy it, and paste it into the program using your mouse. Once the input mask is ready, the main program code is inserted. You will receive the main code as a Word file attached to the email. This program is an excellent aid in learning foreign languages.